Good afternoon from your favourite British realtor, and I'm here at 5056 Hartley Drive with my photographer and videographer Jimmy. We are getting ready to go active on the MLS at this fabulous 3-bedroom 2-bathroom pool residence over in Pace, and I'm just so excited for this listing to go active. I already have great interest in this home, so it's going to be an interesting weekend. I have an open house on Saturday. Myself will be here from 11 o'clock till 1 o'clock, and then Scott Miller will be here on Sunday from 11 a.m. until 1 o'clock as well. So if this home could be something of interest for you and you're searching for a pool home, do check in this weekend at 5056 Hartley Drive here in Pace.